Owning a BMW is a bit like being in a committed relationship. You admire its beauty, you respect its power, and, just like any healthy relationship, it thrives on consistent care and attention. Regular maintenance isn't just about keeping your BMW looking its best, although that's a fantastic perk. It's about ensuring it performs at its peak for years to come. Think of it like this. You wouldn't skip a service on your watch, especially not a fine German one. Your BMW, with its precision engineering and intricate systems, deserves the same level of dedication. From a simple wash to a full fluid check, every bit of care contributes to its longevity and your ultimate driving pleasure. So let's dive into the essential steps of BMW upkeep. We'll explore how to keep your car looking sharp and running smoothly. Trust me, a well-maintained BMW is a joy to own and a testament to your appreciation for automotive excellence. They say first impressions are everything. With your BMW, that first glance should always be met with a gleaming, mirror-like finish. But a proper car wash is about more than just aesthetics. It's about protecting your investment. Think of it as giving your car a spa day, minus the cucumbers. Start with a pre-wash. This crucial step removes loose dirt and grime, preventing those swirl marks that make your paintwork look tired. Use a dedicated car wash shampoo, not dish soap. You're dealing with automotive paint, not last night's dinner plates. Next, the foam application. A good foam cannon is your friend here. It blankets your car in a thick layer of cleaning suds, lifting away dirt without scratching the surface. Use the 2-bucket method, one with soapy water, one with clean rinse water. This prevents cross-contamination and ensures a truly spotless finish. Dry with a microfiber towel, using gentle, straight motions to avoid swirls. Remember, a clean car is a happy car, and a happy BMW is a joy to behold. Now let's step inside. The interior of your BMW is your sanctuary, a place of luxury and performance. Keeping it clean and well-maintained isn't just about aesthetics, it's about preserving the quality and feel of the materials. First, grab your trusty vacuum cleaner. Don't just glide over the surfaces. Get into the nooks and crannies, the spaces between the seats and under the floor mats. Those crumbs from your late-night drive-thru, they've gotta go. Next, wipe down all surfaces with a microfiber cloth and a quality interior cleaner. Pay attention to the dashboard, steering wheel, and door panels. These areas see a lot of action and tend to accumulate dust and grime. If you have leather seats, treat them with a dedicated leather conditioner. This will keep them supple and prevent cracking. Remember, a clean interior isn't just about appearances. It's about creating a pleasant and healthy driving environment. Section 4. Under the hood, essential fluid checks. Now let's lift the hood and delve into the heart of your BMW. Checking your fluids regularly is like giving your car a health checkup. It's quick, easy, and can prevent costly problems down the road. First, locate the dipstick for your engine oil. Pull it out, wipe it clean, and reinsert it. Pull it out again and check the oil level. It should be between the minimum and maximum markers. If it's low, top it up with the recommended oil grade for your BMW. Next, check your coolant level. The coolant reservoir is usually a translucent tank with minimum and maximum markers. If the level is low, top it up with a 50-50 mixture of coolant and distilled water. Never open the coolant reservoir when the engine is hot. It's under pressure and could cause burns. Remember, regular fluid checks are crucial for your BMW's health and performance. Always refer to your owner's manual for specific fluid types and recommendations. Section 5. Beyond the basics, tires, brakes, and more. We've covered the essentials, but a true BMW enthusiast goes the extra mile. Maintaining your car's performance and longevity requires attention to detail, especially when it comes to tires, brakes, and other crucial components. Start with your tires. They're your only point of contact with the road, so keeping them in top shape is non-negotiable. Check your tire pressure regularly using a reliable gauge. Underinflated tires wear out faster and reduce fuel efficiency. Inspect your tire tread depth too. If it's worn down, it's time for new tires. Next, inspect your brakes. Brakes are critical for your safety, so don't neglect them. If you hear squeaking or grinding noises, or if your brake pedal feels spongy, it's time for a professional inspection. Finally, don't forget about regular maintenance tasks like air filter replacement, battery checks, and inspections of belts and hoses. These components might seem small, but they play a big role in your BMW's overall health and performance. Remember, A well-maintained BMW is a joy to drive and a testament to your commitment to automotive excellence. By following these tips and consulting your owner's manual, you can keep your BMW running smoothly and looking its best for years to come.